Hey there, Internet. Today, we're going to be working on the abandoned 240. Since the previous owner did some bullshit to the wiring in the doors, I'm replacing all of it. It's all coming out. I'm not dealing with it. So first we're going to do that, and then after that, it's going to be subframe bushings and new wheels. Look, I'm just going to be honest with you. The next part of this video is going to get real weird. You're going to see some things that may excite you. I need you to contain yourself. Just hold it in. Just keep it in. Okay? Sweet. See, if I had a workbench, this would be the perfect thing to do at a workbench. But I don't have a workbench because I'm a fucking idiot. So I'm doing it on the ground. So now the windows work, which is awesome. And I don't have to worry about the car burning down to the ground because of the previous owner's wiring. Now we can finally move on to the main job of the day, which is the subframe bushings. Are the subframe bushings, since it's plural? Honestly, I had been putting this job off just because with how much shit is in the way that you have to remove to get the subframe off, and with how neglected this car was and how everything on it just seems to fight me, I already know it's gonna suck. But I can't really put it off any longer. I've run out of other stuff to do, so here we go. And fuck that. Nope, not today, Satan. Nope. I'm doing something else. I'm coming back to it. I'm coming back to this. I'm done. Nope.
Carry myself in a manner where people are going to say, you know what, he knows what he's doing.
That's fucking it, man. Now, boom, jack, prap, prap.
Done.
The fucking irony. Look, I fought with this thing for like 2 days, and I'm not going to make you watch all of that, but I am going to make you watch this awkward exchange between me and the Amazon delivery driver. Hey, man.
How's it going?
Pretty good. How are you?
Good. Looks like you're having fun. About to.
Thank you very much, man.
Nissan 240 SX? Is that basically the... Oh, shit. Nissan, no.
Yeah, this is
Oh, wow, you got like the whole freaking thing pulled off. Damn.
yeah, the rear subframe. So all the rear suspension, rear wheels.
Oh, and you're filming it? Making a little video?
Yeah, might as well. But
Fun stuff.
I've got to take all these bushings out, and this first one took me like 2 hours because all I had was the propane and
These?
a little chisel. No, these.
Oh.
So that first one took me like 2 hours. Came out like that.
Oh my god.
Yeah. So I needed a bigger chisel.
Woo! Well, good luck. Best of luck.
Have a good day, man. Now, like I said, I don't think you guys want to watch me smash myself in the hand with a hammer repeatedly for 2 days straight. So let's just skip to the happy ending. Man, I am so glad that is done. The car drives perfectly. Well, the car drives like shit because it's slammed on eBay coilovers, but the wobble's gone. And the subframe bushings are great. So PBM, thank you for those subframe bushings. The quality, phenomenal. You open the box, there's fucking stickers, there's fucking angels come out of the box and shit. It's fucking phenomenal. They didn't sponsor me or anything. I paid for those parts, but seriously, go check them out. In order to reward myself for a job well done, because that fucking sucked, I have some new wheels to put on the car. They're not really new wheels, actually. I'm not Adam LZ. I'm not balling over here on some fucking millions of dollars worth of wheels or anything. I just went on the classifieds and picked some up locally, and I'm not gonna lie, they're pretty fire. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Please. Seriously, please. Subscribe to the channel. Seriously. Have a wonderful evening. Peace.